we're starting off with 36 ounces of our cauliflower in our crock pot. I have here 16 ounces of sharp cheddar that I grated myself because we want to make sure it gets nice and melty and shredded. And we're just spreading that evenly on top of our cauliflower. We got to mask that healthy flavor. Just kidding. But this is going to be such an easy, cheesy, delicious lunch or dinner, whatever you want to make it for, that everyone will love. So we're getting that whole 16 ounces of cheddar in there. And you can use whatever cheese you like, Colby Jack, mozzarella, but I love cheddar for this. Now I'm coming in with some cream cheese, and we're putting 2 blocks of cream cheese right on top of our cheddar cheese for this delicious dinner. Now I have some thick cut bacon that I cooked up, and we're gonna grab our bacon, grab a few pieces at a time. I'm gonna use about 6 slices of bacon for this, and we're gonna chop up our bacon right into our crock pot, right on top of that cream cheese. Oh my goodness, I mean cheese, bacon, cream cheese, cauliflower. I think you guys can get the vibe. It is gonna be so tasty. This is one of my husband's favorite dishes because you sneak in your veggies in there, but it tastes amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and get the rest of our bacon in there. All right, so I actually ended up using 8 slices of cooked bacon because the more bacon, the better. Last thing we're gonna add to this is some diced jalapeno, and this is 1 large jalapeno without the seeds to make sure it's not too hot, but we're gonna add all of that jalapeno right on top of that. Oh yeah, just a few ingredients all in our crock pot for this delicious meal. I am so excited. All right, now this is ready to start cooking. We're gonna go ahead and put our lid on, and we're gonna pop this on high until this is nice and ready. All right, we're at the halfway point with this, and we're gonna give this a good mix to make sure our cheese doesn't burn. But that cauliflower still needs some extra time to cook, and look, some of that cheese hasn't melted yet, but that cream cheese is already on its way, but you can tell that things are getting stuck on the side, so we gotta make sure that you give this halfway mix so that everything gets evenly cooked and evenly distributed. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. I cannot wait for everything else to get ready because it smells incredible.
Yum.
All right, that looks mixed well enough. We're gonna go ahead and put our lid back on and let this finish cooking. All right, it's been 3 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off, and I mixed it after each hour, so I've mixed it twice already. Oh my goodness. Our cauliflower bacon jalapeno mac and cheese, that's what I'm calling this, is looking incredible. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. Just giving it one last stir. It smells amazing. That cauliflower is beautifully cooked. Obviously, you could do this recipe with real noodles, but this is gluten-free, it's healthier, and it still tastes amazing. Smells so good. I'm just gonna top this off with a little bit of dried chives. This is optional, that's why I'm gonna put it on the side for my guests. And then I have another slice of bacon that I'm just gonna crumble right on top as well. Okay, that looks perfect. Oh. All right, it's gonna be really hot, but really tasty. I'm gonna kind of cut my cauliflower in half so I don't get too big of a piece.
Is it good?
That is so good. Oh my goodness. Wow. You guys are gonna love this.